Welcome to Beauty Body Being with me, Kirti Chakoti. Using UBTAN is one of the most traditional way of bathing. But why is UBTAN so special? And it's been coming through so many generations. And most of the wedding ceremonies across India are using UBTAN for Haldi day and to make the bride or groom more beautiful. Before industrialization, we had nothing like soaps or shampoos. They were all very traditionally made in our kitchens. So UBTAN is one of the products which is actually the outcome of a kitchen combination of many herbs. This traditional bath powder is made of many pulses, herbs, flower petals and roots, and also turmeric. So the combination of all this, it gives a healthy glowing skin which reduces the bacteria and the fungus developing on the skin. Chekorganics UBTAN is made in the most traditional way and most of the ingredients cultivated and processed from our own farm. Take a spoon of UBTAN and add good amount of milk with cream preferably to give a deep moisturizing effect to your skin. This mixture can be used from born babies to any age, giving you a deep cleansing with deep moisturizing. Take some chekorganics UBTAN for a bleaching effect. Add few drops of lime and take some water to make it into a fine paste. Now this mixture works as a bleach for your body and face. Preferably apply nice sesame oil or coconut oil, massage your body and then apply this paste, scrub well and then wash off. Using traditional bath powder, all your dead skin will be well removed, keeping your skin glowing, smooth and shiny, and brings even tone to your skin, reduces wrinkles, reduces scars, dark spots, acne and pimples, and also closes your pores, which makes your skin look younger and beautiful. There's a good tip here. Using chekorganics UBTAN powder is not just for bathing but also works excellent as a face pack. Use at least once or twice in a week as a face pack or as a bath powder to see amazing results.